Got him. Come here with me.
Oh.
Alright guys, me and Liam are just out today on a little adventure. We're going to kayak up the river Bann, which is the border between County Antrim and Derry. We're going to do a bit of fishing. We've got catties with us, we might get a natty, hopefully get a fish, maybe get a pigeon or a squirrel along the bank. You never know, so stick with us and we'll see what happens. Right, so Liam, can you tell us where we are?
We're in Portland Forest, famous for its bluebell blossoms. It used to be infested with grey squirrels, but sadly someone's been paid to go and shoot them. And we would have done it for free.
We would have done it for nothing. There's been a bit of pest control around here, huh?
Aye. Which pest hinders me greatly.
Look at that for bluebells. It's like a carpet on the forest floor. It is a nice forest, this, isn't it?
And this forest is owned by the Cistercian monastery in Portland, a long-standing order.
I hear a pheasant crowing.
So do I.
Too bad they're out of season. We don't shoot things out of season, do we, Liam?
No, Christopher, we don't.
Nice little ash fork here, so I'm just going to take it with me Oppie now. Folding saw, great little pocket saw this. Cut it a wee bit bigger. Lovely. Just got another nice, what is that?
Sycamore, I believe.
Sycamore. Nice wee sycamore catty up here. We'll bend it over and I'll cut the top off. Oh, that is a lovely natty. When did you get so good at identifying your trees?
Man, I got the skills that pays the bills.
Oh yeah, this is a really nice one. Awesome. Awesome little frame.
See the big branch that's going
Yeah.
down that way, sitting on it.
I see him. Got him. Yeah.
Oh, Christopher.
Alright guys, we looked for that pigeon there for about 20 minutes. No chance of retrieving him. It's just too much thick cover in there. It's late spring, the stuff's starting to grow up. I thought he was straight down, but you reckon he flew on for a wee bit?
Yeah.
It's just a shame.
Definite hit, like, there's no denying that.
Oh, it was a proper thud. Hopefully you can see it in the GoPro, that fisheye lens. We got a couple of natties anyway. This one here is really nice. It's kind of got like a thumb pad on it. And this one here, which Liam very cleverly pointed out.
Sycamore.
It's sycamore.
Sycamore, indeed.
Which is an awesome shape, nice and wide, so you can aim with it. It's easier to aim with it.
Like a fine present for me. You know, ready. You know.
But we'll maybe set up a spinner here and have a few shots. Liam, have you anything you would like to add?
No, I think we're good to go.
No tips?
No tips.
Don't eat yellow
Whatever.
snow?
I don't eat yellow snow, and don't do whatever I'm about to do here, because that's a poor way of shooting.
Liam needs to watch my how to shoot video.
Right, boy.
You did touch it.
Just a tip.
Touched it again. What do you think of the sights?
Those are some job, hey. I'm definitely using that lower one now.
You need to swap to a single sight.
Yeah.
Sight's better than aiming off a fork tip.
Oh, definitely. And you can tell, you know, the angle.
Yeah.
You know, if you're, you know, if one fork's, you know, protruding more than the other.
Yeah, you can tell if your frame's aligned correctly.
Yes, you can line it up beautifully with
Yeah.
those little fibre optic sights. They're a great job. Like.
But this is what, only your second day shooting?
Yeah, no, it's a great job. I definitely recommend one of these wee catties. Like, it's so comfy in the hand. Hard to beat now. And like I said, that'll just form into your hand, you know, form to your grip. The more you use it, this will start.
Yeah, mould to your hand.
Yes, yes.
What
No,
do you
great
think?
job.
What do you think of the bands?
The bands are a great job too now. It's amazing how bands have come on, you know, from TheraBand Gold to what they are now. Like, I mean,
How would you compare them to TheraBand Gold?
they're just, it's the longevity of them that's so different to me personally now.
What about performance?
Well, and they work a lot better in the cold.
Yeah.
A lot better.
A lot faster?
Yes, yes. You know, and all these different thicknesses and things you can get now. I mean, I'm not no expert on them now, but you seem to keep me right.
Yeah.
Sure do. Yeah.
Wild miss.
You can have the fanciest catty in the world, like, but you still get the occasional flyer, like.
You still need to practice.
Oh, you sure do.
Doesn't matter how many sights you have or
Fancy gear.
what type of band you shoot.
I don't know, like, I usually just go for the hope for the best philosophy.
It served me well.
Aye.
Right, let's see you.
Handbrake turning under, but
The kayak master. What a beautiful day.